If you're thinking about teaching English online because you want to make money, because you want to work from home, or because you want to change your life, but you don't know where to start, then this video is for you. This video might save you a lot of time, stress, and disappointment. Let me be honest with you. Most people don't fail in online tutoring because they are not good enough. No. They fail because they start without understanding how it actually works. They apply to platforms, they get rejected, they try again, and after a few attempts, they give up. Not because the opportunity is not real, but because no one explained the foundation to them. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Enifa. I talk about how to make money online, and I'll help you to start teaching English online the right way. Even if you have no experience, you are on the right channel. So remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and also to turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out on the following videos. So before you even think about applying to any online tutoring platform, you need to understand what you are getting into. You are supposed to get this part right because it will help everything else to become easier for you. What is online tutoring? What is online tutoring? Let's start with the basics. Online tutoring simply means teaching students over the internet from your home. That is online tutoring. And what will you be tutoring? You'll be tutoring English. That is our main subjects, which we all talk about on this particular platform. Yes, you can teach a lot of subjects, but here we focus on teaching English as a second language or teaching English as a foreign language. Right. You don't need a classroom. You don't need to travel. You don't need a big setup to start. In most cases, you are teaching one student at a time, sometimes small groups, and you'll be tutoring through video calls using a phone, a tablet, or a laptop. Now, here is something that is very important. This is not like traditional teaching. You are not standing in front of 30 students. You are having a conversation with students or with one student. You are helping someone to speak English. You are helping someone to build confidence. You are helping someone to express themselves better. For example, you might have a student from China or someone from Saudi Arabia. So your role is not to be perfect or to be a perfect tutor. Your role is to guide, to support, and to communicate clearly with the student. Why do most people fail in this online tutoring business? Why do most people get it wrong? Why do most people fail? Now, let me tell you where most people go wrong. They think I can speak English, so I can just apply and start making money. And when they get rejected, they get confused. Let me give you a real scenario. Someone applied to 5 platforms, no preparation, no understanding, no strategy, rejected. And now they think maybe I'm not good enough. But that's not the problem. The problem is lack of preparation. Who is supposed to tutor online? Who is this for? So is this for you? Let me be very clear. Online tutoring is for you. That is if, number one, you are patient. You are someone who doesn't get frustrated that easily. Number two, you can communicate clearly. Not big English, just a simple English. You are clear, you can communicate, good communication skills. That's what we mean. You are willing to learn. Even if you are a tutor, we learn every day. Number four, you want flexibility. What does that mean? It means online tutoring, it is a job that gives you flexibility or freedom to do whatever you want because you work at your own time, you work with your own pace. That's it. But let me also be honest with you. This will not be for you if you want quick money without effort. You give up easily. You are not even willing to improve. Just to tell yourself this job is not for me. Why? Because rejection will come. But the right strategy changes everything. Now let's talk about the reality of online tutoring. Let me be honest with you. Online tutoring can change your income. It can change your life. It can give you freedom. It can open a lot of opportunities. For example, I made a lot of friends overseas through online tutoring. I was able to travel. I never changed my schedules because I started tutoring online. I'm a work from home mom. I can take care of my kids at the same time I'll be working online. That's the good thing about online tutoring. But it can also be frustrating. That is if you don't know what you are doing. That is also if you are not passionate about this job. That is also if you don't have patience, because you're going to meet different people with different characters. Some people apply many times and they fail. Some don't get students. Some earn very little. Those are the downsides of this particular job. Not because it doesn't work, but because they skipped the foundation that I'm trying to give you today. They were able to build their career on the wrong foundation. What you must focus on before you apply anyway, you just need to understand who are you going to teach, what you need for you to start tutoring, how to present yourself as a tutor, how interviews work, how to get students as well. This is what most people ignore. And this is why they struggle all the time. If you are really serious about starting this journey of becoming an online tutor, make sure you watch my next videos in this particular series that we have started. Because I'm going step by step, showing you exactly what to do, what not to do. And if you want personal guidance or coaching, you can message me on the number below or check the link in the description box. You can as well send an email so that you can book your coaching. My coachings are not for free. I would advise you to utilize this particular opportunity which I gave you as my fans to access my coaching for free. So what I would advise you before you start embarking on this particular journey, before you join my train, don't just try online tutoring. You need to understand it first. You need to position yourself properly and win at it. Regardless of color, regardless of race, regardless of who you think you are, you can win this particular race. If you managed to watch this video to this extent, thank you so much for your love and support. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out. I'm going to drop a video on Sunday at 8 o'clock, and on that particular video, we are going to focus on the gadgets needed and also on the setup of the classroom environment whereby you are going to be tutoring. Even though you're tutoring online, it doesn't mean we don't have a teaching space, a teaching corner. You need it, but you must know how to go about it and what gadgets are needed. So thank you so much for watching. If you are interested, show me by liking this video, sharing this video. This will give me energy to give you more information. If you don't comment, if you don't say anything, then I'll feel like maybe the coaching is not worth it. Then I'll drop it. Anyway, have a beautiful day. See you next time. Bye.